example 2, and we already set up a drawing. And looking at the fact that we have tangent, we know that the numerator 15 has to be opposite, and the denominator 8 has to be adjacent. So we drew a picture where theta was in the bottom right-hand corner, and the opposite side should be the long one, 15, and the adjacent side should be 8, which is the short one. Now, we just said that we're missing the hypotenuse, but we can find that easily with an old friend. Okay? A squared plus b squared equals c squared is the Pythagorean theorem. And we could say opposite squared plus adjacent squared equals hypotenuse squared. So plug in what you know and solve for what you don't know. If 15 squared plus 8 squared equals h squared, I think that adds up to 289. Agree? So if you square root it, I think you get 17. So my hypotenuse has to be 17. In the grand scheme of things, does it make sense that the hypotenuse is the largest of the three numbers? Certainly. As you're doing these problems, you want to think about things like that. Wait a minute. If I got my hypotenuse to be 2, that makes no sense. The hypotenuse has to be the longest side. Okay. So now that we know that opposite is 15, adjacent is 8, and hypotenuse is 17, we can do our sine, cosine, tangent is done for us, cosecant, secant, and cotangent. Okay? Set them all up, and then do try it 2. And there are the 5 answers they were looking for in this example. Yep, tangent was given. It was 15 over 8. Okay, video watchers, those are the answers to try it 2. We have the Pythagorean theorem at the bottom worked out for finding the missing adjacent side. Once we find that to be 7, just fill in your 6 ratios, and you're done.